Hello guys and welcome to our channel. I am the creator and the only person behind this channel, Basic Sound Effects, where I provide high quality sound effects that are free to use for filmmakers, editors, content creators, and for anyone who wants to use these sound effects for their projects. And I hope that these sound effects will help you create a better, engaging videos. And in this video, I will be answering some questions from our viewers in regards with our videos and sound effects. And the first question is, are these sound effects free to use? Yes, every single sound effect across our library is 100% free and completely copyright free for both personal and commercial projects. Who is this channel for? I built this sound effect channel specifically as a utility hub for filmmakers, video editors, and any content creators who needs high quality sound effects for their contents or projects. How do I download the audio files? If you wanted to use our sound effects, you can download our files instantly by clicking the download link pinned at the very top of every comment section. What makes this library different? Our library features both video with sound effect, and the second one is a clear dark screen sound effect so you can focus clearly with the audio itself. And that's it guys, and I really hope that these asset packs will help you take your video edits to the next level. And feel free to subscribe to our channel to keep you updated with our upcoming releases. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.